everyone, today we're making chicken momos. So let's see. We will need 2 cups of maida, 1 teaspoon oil, salt 1 teaspoon, add water little by little to make a soft dough. You can see that the dough is soft and moist. Cover it with a soft wet cloth and keep it aside for half an hour. Now for the filling, add 200 grams minced chicken. Add 1 big chopped onion. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Add 1 tablespoon green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon pepper. Add 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon butter and combine well. The filling is ready. Now that the dough is ready, make small balls with it. Now make small circles to stuff it with the fillings. Now keep a steamer pot ready for steaming the momos. Now brush the steamer plate with oil. Add fillings in the small circles and shape them to momos. Steam it in batches for 10 to 15 minutes. Wow! Now it is ready. You can do a toothpick test to see if it's well cooked. Ah, look how beautiful it is, and the aroma smells so good. I learned this super recipe from my dad, Dharmendra Kumar. This is very yummy. Now as you can see inside, it's soft, delicious and ready to be eaten. Thanks.